know what of them. What you know what is? What is? Romeo. Guys, appreciate the glow. I'm telling you, my skin is improving so much. So I started to drink the CBD tea the other day. I finished now, but I drank that from a drinking because my face that clear up. Wicked. Then I use Morgan's Creek turmeric soap and also their honey underarm something that spot remover. So soft, you know. So it's around 4 o'clock now. I'm heading to Fairviewish to deal with some stuff, and I'm just seeing if I can capture a little bit of stuff for y'all. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. I'm gonna see them look like so earlier. I'm going to that bag thing. Full up. So it's around 4 now, so everybody I try getting gas. Okay, that old man style that. Eh?
I want to buy one. That's here.
So everybody's filling up before cut-off time. I think at 6 o'clock a cut-off time, and I'm like 4 o'clock now. So definitely getting that refill before time cut-off. So guys, since I have been working on my business from home, I have a table already with a chair, but I really would like a desk, something that is office like, you don't know, because I don't know if I have me Skylife Fitness Solution business and then my TLC business. Like I want a desk, I have my laptop and all my information on it. So we're gonna look at this now and show you which one I like. I like this one, but because of the storage right here, so like the storage here right here, so but I really love the black one, but the black one don't have no storage. Only the part here for your laptop down there. So this one of the 17.99 and this one of the 15. So between them two here may I consider. Okay, so I just basically show you the two that I'm considering. I really love the black one, but the clear top one is more, you know, like with the little drum you can put my little pen, the paper and the little thing in it. Tell me which one you guys like the most, the black one or the one with the drum you can pull out, put my little thing. I really think that one is more appropriate, I should say. So I leave courts now and head over to one computer place. I have something to go over the printer or something. Rain up off. How can I lean parking that other one?
Park lane?
Yeah.
Which one? This? Benny. You feel it?
You see when me stop so? That's it I'm making it.
So we're doing legs and arms workout today. We're doing 3 rounds. First off, we did warm up by running up and down the hill, just steep hill behind us. So run up and down 2 times. Then we do regular squat. So warm up, jump. Did we do jumping jack? So regular warm up, and then we move into. Let me show you the board. So leg and arm workout. We're doing 3 to 4 rounds. We have reverse lunge, sumo squat to upright row, lateral to courtesy lunge. We have forward lunge, standing fly or single leg deadlift. Then we do squat hold to arm raise. Then the last one is squat and top. So 40 seconds on, 15 seconds rest. 3 rounds. Get it now. 1 minute 30 second rest in between rounds. So this is our final round. Last one, best round.
Wake up, Karina. Work back, print out. So it is. That is our problem. You understand what I'm trying to say? They come on here down here, they don't understand it. But everybody may not need water. I need water when I'm finished. I drink a lot of water. This is your girl Karina right here. Know your body, work your body, do your body. No, I'm serious. I see you on the vlog. And we have to do a proper stretch, Melica. This time. Do not put that part in. We have to do a proper stretch because a part didn't never warm up properly.
Yep, warm up is important.
In Karina? I don't know. Were you warming up with us? Let's start. So ready.
Ready,
They
last
call me
round.
Mr. Ready. When we do this, be ready. Are you ready? Get steady.
Last round, best round.
Let's go. Let's go. Go. But we can do it. We can do it. We'll come through. We'll break through. We'll overcome. We're doing it. It's a sumo squat with an upright row band. In another second, you'll have 5 seconds left. And you will have done it. Oh yeah. That's it. We any bad mind. Oh, good.
Why is wrong with my lad?
Are you camera the fan?
But not dopey?
Are you the fan?
Oh, man,
Stop. 5 seconds.
Make sure you guys got on your Skylife Fitness Solution bill.
I don't have on mine. Coming to buy on you.
Not gonna lie, me I set the fast.
Forward lunge down. Let's go. Position.
Yeah, but if you can't manage, if you can't manage, I tell people all the time, if you can't manage, put on the weight. Your body heavy enough. You know how much pound this? Each side 20. But I need to come out.
20 pounds you want to take out?
Yeah.
I 24, you put down things in
15 to 20.
You should have run first.
I did.
You run?
You didn't mash you up, man. Hill. Funny hill.
Go. Water.
They get something to drink today, mama. They get something to drink today.
Nobody not drink. Nobody not drink no water, Miss Joy. You drink too much, you tap too much, man. Come. Squat gold armory. Sit down, Anna.
Just get up and do the exercise. That's how I get results. Because you know, men are no workout person. 3 quarters of the time, I'm not doing exercise, right? But I exercise very often. So that's how I get results over you because you exercise Monday, you do not see your back and do anymore. You just let the workout good.
It was a pleasure being here with you guys. This is our 5-second warning. This was your rest time. Can we do that? Do you think we can do that?
We done this one.
We be stars. They gave up at 5 seconds. At 5 seconds. Can you believe it? This is where we drop Mike.
I got a surprise from my team. Hope they love it. After we cool down, ooh, then they can see it. Karina.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
You're taller than mine.
Can't be Karina, I just cut off this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Guys.
Put me from donkey.
You know, some of this stuff, why am I going to? I'll show them how your belt fit you good. I'm not telling a lie, how your body good. Come give them a review on the belt. Tell me your honest review.
So this is the Skylife Fitness Solutions belt. Is that right?
Right.
Yeah, so it fit me nice. Ensure if it dry tight so you can get a little curve, you know?
And you can adjust the strap.
Yeah.
Gives you full coverage. Cho, tell about that.
Side. So you can draw these tight, so depending on how you feel working out in it. But the tighter you draw it, the better results, you know? Let me see, ma.
Hi guys, what's popping? I hope y'all are doing good today. I hope you're hearing me because when I record like this, you don't hear me very clearly. I'm heading on the road. I'm gonna get some lunch. Lip gloss. Heading on the road, gonna get some food. Gonna meet up with a customer. Deal with one transaction and then head back to the office. But I don't take long really and truly. Normally I don't go out, but I have to go and get something to eat, yo. And I don't eat chicken, so I have to get something fish-wise. So that kind of a little bit technical for me. Hello. Sorry. Boy, I'm telling them. A white guy just came out of the elevator and I said hello. And he looked so shocked. He was like, "That's a word man going so." Anyways, guys, I check back in with you because I'm damn clean self on Skylife TV. Subscribe, show the love. Tell your body good, your body great.